Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap. In today's video I'm going to teach you if you want to lock your screen to a portrait mode, how you will achieve that. So suppose I want to lock my screen to a portrait mode in main activity. Inside onCreate method you just have to type this dot set requested orientation. Next you have to type activity info dot set orientation portrait. Just click on this and now I will run my app to my emulator. So my app is running to my emulator. I will scroll down and here you can see that my emulator is in auto rotate mode. I will scroll up and now I will try to rotate my phone. You can see that activity is locked in portrait mode. Similarly, if you want to lock your screen in landscape mode, you just have to type here screen orientation landscape mode. And this is the technique. You can lock the screen in main activity, but similarly, if you want to achieve the same thing inside your manifest file, just open the manifest.xml and suppose I want to lock my screen in main activity. Just inside your activity element, just type here Android colon screen orientation portrait. This will work exactly same as we done in main activity. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. And finally, thanks for watching.